Malaking bagay po yun kasi una syempre nag-offer po sa akin yung project and then I was like, paano ko gagawin to? In a way, in-explain ko po sa kanya na maraming self-talk, maraming beses sa akin usap ko po yung sarili ko kung ano ba Miggy, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba? Kasi kung hindi, huwag natin sayangin yung oras ng iba. Kasi hindi lang naman ako, lagi ko kino-consider, hindi lang naman po kapag may project akong gagawin, dahil nandun yung mga tao lahat para sa akin. It doesn't work that way, so I'm working also, they're also working for themselves. So sabi ko naman po sa sarili ko parang, why not? Because honestly, like, testing po siya sa limitations ko bilang aktor. And when I did it, when I finished it, iba yung feeling na natapos ko. Iba po yung sense of relief and accomplishment. So parang seeing it now is one for the books. Okay na yun.
So, ano sabi ng mommy mo after you did that movie? Napanood ba niya?
They did. My friends did as well. Yung mom ko naman, at first pa lang, yung trailer pa lang, she was like, actually, before shooting pa lang, nung kinuwento ko yung concept, she was so uncomfortable. Sabi niya, why? Bakit? Ganyan.